Hello, good morning everyone. I am Surendra from the Chiranjeev Bharati School. Today I am going to start the topic virus, viridae, prions and lichen. That is the chapter 2nd in NCERT biology and that is the last topic. Now in your NCERT or you can say in some of the NCERT, the topic virus, viridae and lichens are given but prions are not given. But in 2018 the topic prions is added. Now there are various questions are arises from this topic. Today we start the first topic, that is the virus. Now everybody knows virus. It means slow poison, and the term slow poison or fluid poison, liquid poison given by Pasteur. He also says that the term virus also given by Pasteur. First point. Second is another important point, discoverer. Discoverer of virus. Now it is discovered by Ivanovsky in tobacco plant, that is the type of disease called TMV, means tobacco mosaic virus and cause tobacco mosaic disease. Second, fungi, animalia and plantae also, but all these are not, virus are not included in them. Why? Because they do not show any type of the cellular activity. Means they does not have any type of the cellular organelles as well as any special type of the cell wall or cell membrane. That's why they are not included in them. So the most important topic, they are very small, you can say the smallest known particle, that is the smallest known particle in the world. They only visible with the help of ultra-electron microscope, not visible with the help of enzyme. Simple microscope. Structurally, they may be oval, they may be spherical, they may be elliptical, or you can say polygonal, or many more. Now, the important term, a scientist that is called W.S. Stanley. He was the first scientist who stored the virus in the form of crystals. Store viruses in the form of crystals. Another scientist, Beijerinck, a scientist that is Beijerinck, according to him, he gave a term, most important term, that is Contagium vivum fluidum, where contagium means infectious, vivum means living and fluterum means liquid. The infectious living liquid, that is contagium viva fluterum. 1 mark question. The term contagium viva fluterum is given by it at the beginning. The most another important topic or point, they are total parasite. Total parasite means they do not have any type of cellular activity. I have earlier said they don't have any cellular organelles, right? So they are totally parasite. Totally depends upon the host cell. Host may be a living host cell because virus shows both type of the characteristic features, that is living character as well as dead character. Living character means when the virus enters in any host, it may be plant or it may be animal, then they show their multiplication, they increase in their number. But out of the host, they don't show any type of the living characteristic. They can't be multiplied. So they are the linkage, or you can say they are the linkage between the living as well as non-living characters. Most important another topic, that is viruses consist with the help of that is nucleic acid and protein. Nucleic acid, either DNA or either RNA. And one important most point, we all know the universal genetic material, that is DNA. But in the case of virus, RNA is the genetic material. It was first discovered. The first discovered genetic material, that is RNA in the case of virus. Protein, why the protein? Suppose this is an type of viral structure, and inside them that is the genetic material, either DNA or RNA. Both are not present, that is specific. So the outer coating, that is protein coat. That is protein coat, and that protein coat is called capsid. Okay? And this one is the genetic material. That is called genetic material. Regarding that, the nucleic acid as well as protein. Now, this DNA as well as RNA, that topic is the most important topic. Most important topic. Why? Because genetic material most important for need also. The important is that plant virus have generally single stranded RNA, and animal virus having double stranded DNA. That is a specific, but some Exceptional cases are also there. That is, in the case of cauliflower, that is CMV, cauliflower mosaic virus. This cauliflower mosaic virus having double stranded DNA. Now in the case of HIV, that is also called retrovirus. In the case of retrovirus, there is single stranded RNA. And in the case of reovirus having double stranded RNA. So this is very important topic regarding the presence and absence of nucleic acid. Right. The next topic is that what about the capsomere, what about the capsid? Basically, everybody knows that amino acid consists form the polynucleotide chain that form a protein. In the case of viruses, that protein code is called capsid, and capsid consists with many units. In NCERT, there is a two diagram, that is tobacco mosaic virus diagram as well as bacteriophage diagram. Both diagrams are most important. First of all, you go through that diagram and watch the next video regarding that topic. Like and subscribe them. Thank you.